Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading or currency trading, is a global financial market where one country's currency is exchanged for another. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with daily transactions worth trillions of dollars. For example, if you believe the euro will rise against the US dollar USD, you can buy the EUR USD currency pair. If the euro's value does increase, you can sell it later for a profit. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday and is primarily conducted online. To start trading, you need to open an account with a reliable broker who provides you with a trading platform like MetaTrader 4 or 5. On these platforms, you can trade various currency pairs such as EUR USD, GBP INR, USD JPY, and more. To make a profit, you need a solid understanding of the market. This includes technical analysis, reading charts and recognizing patterns, fundamental analysis, understanding economic news, interest rates, GDP data, etc., and emotional control. Many beginners trade without proper knowledge and end up in losses, so it's crucial to learn thoroughly, practice well, and apply strong risk management techniques. You can use tools like stop loss and take profit to limit your losses and secure profits at the right time. It's advisable to start with a demo account for practice and gradually move to a real trading account. Forex trading also involves leverage, which allows you to control large positions with small capital, but it comes with high risk too. In conclusion, making a profit in Forex trading requires patience, discipline, the right strategy,